we know in earlier lecture, we have studied about pixel neighborhood where we have discussed about 4 neighborhood and 8 neighborhood. On the pixel neighborhood, this topic is based on the pixel neighborhood, that is nothing but the adjacency of the pixel. This portion is the same like 4 and 8 neighborhood, where by using the 4 neighborhood and 8 neighborhood, we can say that pixels are adjacent with each other. In the sense they are adjacent in some manner. Maybe one pixel is identical with another pixel, or maybe it is labeled, it is arranged in a 4 neighborhood, or it is arranged in the 8 neighborhood, or maybe it is using a both neighborhood, that is ultimately going to call as a mixed adjacency. Okay, so 4 adjacent, 8 adjacent and mixed adjacent is based on the pixel neighborhood. So in this video lecture we are going to start the discussion with adjacencies of the pixel. So what is the meaning of adjacency of the pixel? Two pixels are neighbors and have same gray level are called as a adjacent pixel. What it means? Sir, we are focused on this diagram where we have multiple pixels there. That is, on first row we have a 0, 1 and 0. Then we have a 0, 0, 1, 0. Then we have a 0, 0, 1, 0. And we have 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to find out the adjacent of this pixel. Why? Because here set is given as v is equals to 1. So what is there adjacent with this 1, we have to find out. If we are thinking about a pixel adjacency, the statement says that same gray label are adjacent. So here in this binary image we have a gray label that is 0. We have a label that is 0 and 1. So 1 is matching this one, 1 is also matching this one. Okay. So as we know, if we are arranging a pixel vertically and horizontally, it is called as a 4 neighborhood. So this pixel is there, v set of 1, v is there. If we want to find out the 4 neighborhood of that, 4 adjacency is nothing but this pixel. So this pixel is 4 adjacent with this pixel. Because of that, it is called as a 4 adjacency. Similar, if we want to find out the further 8 adjacencies of that, the same intensity pixels are arranged on a diagonal. Okay, so diagonal element of this is also matching this pixel. So we can say that these two diagonal elements, two diagonal pixels, that is 1 and 1, is adjacent with this central pixel. And what is the adjacency of that pixel? 8 adjacency. Okay, so this is nothing but a 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency. On the basis of this, we can solve a few numericals there. Consider a one gray level image have a different pixel values, that is 54, 81, 201, 7, 10, 150, 270. Multiple pixels are there. Now we have an input set that is given by v is equals to 1, 2, 3 to 10. So we have a value started from 1 to 10. So we have to find out the adjacency between that pixels. Which pixel? Which is given here in the input set, that is v is equal to 1 to 10. So we will focus on this image. We have multiple pixels there. Center pixel is 2. So we have to find out the adjacency of these two of this pixel, adjacent elements of this pixel. So if we are thinking on a vertical element, so 150 is what not there in the set. 150 is what not there in the 34 is not there in the set, 100 is not there in the set, but 3 is there in the set. So vertical, on a vertical and horizontal side, we are matching only single pixel, that is 3. So we can say that 3 is adjacent with the 2 with 4 adjacency. Okay? 3 is adjacent with 2 using a 4 adjacency. Similar, if we are thinking about the diagonal element of this pixel, that is 200 is what not there in the set. Then 45 is not also in the set. If we are thinking about 8 and 10, which is there in the set. So we can say that diagonal element, that is 8 and 10, these pixels are adjacent with this pixel value, and what adjacency is there? 8 adjacency. So these pixels are adjacent with 2 by using a 8 adjacency. So there are 3 different types of adjacencies, 4 adjacencies and 8 adjacencies. Okay? With that, if some pixels are adjacent with by combined in a single image. So yes, in the single image, then we can call it as a mixed adjacency. Okay. So what exactly mixed adjacency says that think about this pixel. Okay. Here we have one vertical adjacency is there, vertical and horizontal element. From that we have vertical adjacency, that is 4 adjacency. We have 4 adjacency here also. We have diagonal adjacency, that is 8 adjacency here. Similarly, if we are going to think a second option there, we have a second option also. We can connect it by using 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency. Similar, we can connect this pixel by using an 8 adjacency only. So it is 8 adjacent. Similar, if we are going to think about multiple, then we have 4 adjacency, 8 adjacency, 8 adjacency, and 4 adjacency. So multiple options are there, but which is exact? How to find a mixed adjacency? So output image is what solved here. We can connect this pixel and this pixel by using 4 adjacency. This pixel and this pixel by using 8 adjacency, or this pixel and this pixel by using 4 adjacency and 4 adjacency. Similar, this diagonal element by using an 8 adjacency. So here we have a single option, that is this pixel is not going to connect with this, or this pixel is adjacent with this by using an 8 adjacency. But if we want to connect this pixel, or we want to say that these are adjacent, for that purpose, preference, we have 2 options are there for their representation, but presentation should be provided to a, or we can call that the preference should be provided to a 4 adjacency. So preference is what provided to a 4 adjacency, means ultimately output is not going to be like this. Okay, so 4 adjacency is not going to get the preference. So this is nothing but the mixed adjacency. Here we are going to use the 4 adjacency also and 8 adjacency. So ultimately it is going to be called as the mixed adjacency, where if we are only thinking about diagonal element adjacency, that is nothing but a 8 adjacency, and if we are thinking about the vertical and horizontal pixels and their level is same, their gray level is matching, we can say that it is adjacent by using a 4 adjacency. So this is nothing but a pixel adjacency. Now, why we need this? Used for establishing boundaries of object and component of a region in image. We can establish the boundaries of the image. With that, we can boundaries is what we are going to identify, and regions, component of a region in the image. Okay, so we can identify the regions in the image by using this adjacency. Then 2 pixels are said to be connected. 2 pixels are said to be connected. Then there are conditions. If they are adjacent in some sense in the sense, maybe they are 4 adjacent, maybe they are 8 adjacent, or maybe they are mixed adjacent, then we can say that pixels are connected, or pixels are pixels are connected or pixels are adjacent. Okay. Next point, gray level satisfy a specific criteria of a similarity, equal intensity levels. Maybe 2 gray levels have the same intensity, then we also can call that adjacent pixel. Okay, so this is nothing but the pixel adjacencies and adjacencies of the pixel and pixel neighborhood. There we have used a pixel neighborhood in the pixel adjacencies to identify the adjacent pixels of a given input set or given input pixel. So in next video we are going to solve a next topic, that is pixel neighborhood, pixel adjacency. By using pixel neighborhood and adjacency, we are going to find out the distance measure. Okay, so there are few properties of a distance measure which is going to get covered in